Why don't Hydreigon and Toxtricity play hide and seek? Because whenever Hydreigon counts, Toxtricity tries to amp up the excitement and gives his hiding spot away. And now, let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Hydreigon versus Toxtricity. Difference 1. To begin with, Hydreigon and Toxtricity belong to different generations of Pokémon. Hydreigon was introduced in Generation 5, the Black and White series, while Toxtricity is much newer, appearing in Generation 8, the Sword and Shield series. Difference 2. Secondly, their types are different. Hydreigon is a dark dragon-type Pokémon, while Toxtricity is a dual electric poison-type Pokémon. This means they have different strengths, weaknesses, and potential moves. Difference 3. As for evolution, Hydreigon evolves from Zweilous at level 64, which is a much higher level than Toxtricity, which evolves from Toxel when it's leveled up with a high key friendship value. Difference 4. They vary greatly in their physical appearance as well. Hydreigon is a three-headed dragon-like creature with 6 wings, blue fur, and a fringed collar of deep blue fur around its neck, whereas Toxtricity is a bipedal lizard-like creature with a punk rock-inspired design. Difference 5. Hydreigon and Toxtricity have different base stats. Hydreigon has a higher base stat total with significant emphasis on special attack and speed. Toxtricity, on the other hand, has balanced stats with a slight edge towards attack and special attack. Difference 6. They learn different moves as they level up. Hydreigon's move pool consists mainly of Dragon, Dark and Psychic moves, while Toxtricity will learn Electric, Poison and Sound-based moves. Difference 7. In terms of abilities, Hydreigon has the ability Levitate, which grants him immunity to ground-type moves. Toxtricity, on the other hand, has Punk Rock, Plus or Technician as potential abilities. Difference 8. Hydreigon's shiny variant is green, whereas Toxtricity's shiny variant has a magenta colouring, adding another visual distinction between the two. Difference 9. Their gender ratios also differ. Hydreigon has an 50% chance of being either male or female, while Toxtricity has an 87.5% chance of being male and a 12.5% chance of being female. Difference 10. They have a different number of evolutions. Hydreigon is the final form in a 3-stage evolutionary line, while Toxtricity is the second form in a 2-stage evolution. Difference 11. Lastly, Toxtricity has a unique mechanic where it can exist in 2 different forms, amped form and low-key form. Based on its nature, Hydreigon does not have such a mechanic. This gives Toxtricity further differences in appearance and move pool depending on its form.